Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Wafer with Core Chiropractic in the Energy Corridor.
Hi, I'm Dr. Miguel Millan.
And today we're going to demonstrate the best therapy that we have to treat sciatica, which is spinal decompression. So Dr. Millan is going to demonstrate our decompression machine, and we're going to explain why our decompression machine is really good at treating sciatica and how it's different from other decompression machines. Because one of the most common causes of sciatica is a disc bulge or a disc herniation. And really the best way to remove pressure from the disc is to stretch out the spine axially, meaning stretch it from head to toe to really relieve pressure off the disc, to pump blood flow into that disc to really help repair the bulge or repair the herniation. So we're going to demonstrate on the decompression how this really happens. So we're going to start setting Dr. Millan up here. So this is going to go behind your head, just like that. And we'll have you hold on to this. You're going to start to feel the chair start to come back. So the first thing that happens with spinal decompression is the table starts to pull the legs out. So this is a really good way we can get a stretch on those last few vertebrae of the lower back to really help open up the pressure off the discs. But what will happen in a second is you'll start to see his legs start to turn side to side. The great thing about this way we can target a bulge to one side or the other. When it comes to sciatica, you usually have a bulge that pushes to one side of the spine to the other. What happens as we start to take the legs to the side, in this case to his left, we're opening up the pressure on the right side of the disc, which is a common cause of sciatica that would be going to the right leg. Our table, we can also alternate between going to the left or to the right, which can target whichever side of the sciatica the disc bulge is causing. Another thing that separates our decompression machine from other decompression machines is a lot of times, especially with people with sciatica, it's hard for them to lay on their back to either get into that position or get out of that position. So as long as you can sit down into a chair and get up from a chair, we can easily work with decompression to really help you get relief from sciatica without having to get into a painful position of lying on your back and then trying to get out of that position.
If you think you may be suffering from sciatica, make sure to pay attention to the comments. We're going to post a link to our website. There you can take a look at our phone number, and also you can schedule a consultation so that you make sure that spinal decompression is the right solution for you. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.